Welcome to Fun with Kids with Happy and Leo.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn about sight words. When it comes to sight words, there are few important questions from parents. Those are, what are sight words? Why these words are so important? And how can I teach them to my kids? In this video, we are going to answer all these questions and we'll see what sight words your pre-kindergartner should know at the age of 4. So, what is meant by sight words? Sight words are nothing but the words that are frequently used in sentences. They are used so often, it is important that readers be able to recognize these words on sight. Right? You won't believe, but first 100 sight words represent over 50% of English text. Yes, 50% of English text is covered when you learn first 100 sight words. So a child who has mastered the list of sight words can already recognize at least half of a sentence. Now we know that how important sight words are, but the question still remains, how we can practice these sight words to our kids. What are the methods to teach these words to kids? So let's see. In this book, they have discussed 4 very important methods to practice sight words by kids of age group 4. The first 30 common sight words your pre-kindergartner should know are a, and, can, come, day, do, down, find, for, go. He, her, him, I, in, is, it, look, make, my. Not, said, see, she, the, there, to, up, we, you. Now we will see how we can practice these sight words from kids. For example, the sight word A. So here they have discussed 4 methods actually. We will see one by one. Like circle A, draw a line to see if you won tic-tac-toe. Here you have to circle A and draw a line. First one is tic-tac-toe. Now second, sight word and. Write the missing letter to spell and. Okay, the first one was tic-tac-toe, second one was finding missing letter. Third one is filling the sentences. Write can to complete each sentence. Okay, 3 methods. Which are those? Tic-tac-toe, writing missing letter and completing the sentence. Fourth one comes coloring the sight word. Fourth method is coloring the sight words. Kids has to recognize sight words from the given words and they need to color it. Here comes the another method of designing worksheet for practicing sight words, that is unscramble the letters to spell day, D-A-Y. Okay. Now we will see all sight words and how they design the worksheet. For do, they have asked draw a line to see if you won tic-tac-toe. The same type of worksheet, you have to find the do and draw a line in this. The next sight word is down. Same here. Unscramble the letters to spell down. Okay. The next sight word is find. Write the missing letter to spell find. Okay, kids need to write the missing letter to spell find. The next sight word is for. Color each starfish with for. Kids need to identify the letter for and they need to color it. Next sight word is go. Write go to complete each sentence. Here kids need to write go word to complete the sentence. Next sight word is he. Circle the note with he. Okay, kids need to circle the word with he. Right? Next one is her. Write the missing letter to spell her. You can give like this. Kids need to write the missing letter to make the spelling of sight word. The next sight word is him. Here they have asked, unscramble the letter to spell him. Now, as at the age of 4, kids has just started reading, practicing one sight word daily will be enough for them to remember those sight words. Now let's see remaining sight words. Sight word I. Write I to complete each sentence. Next sight word is in. Circle in. Draw a line to see if you won tic-tac-toe. Okay? Now for remaining sight words, I will just flip the pages. If you want to copy those worksheets, you can just pause the video, take a screenshot, and you can copy those worksheets. Sight word is. It. Next is look. In day-to-day life, you can make sentences and practice the sight words with your kids. Next sight word, make. Next sight word is my. Not. Like it is not open. I am not awake. She is not coming. Said. Next sight word see. Next is she. Next the. Next comes there. To make kids remember these sight words, we can create activities like making flashcards or making certain games, creating the sentences with sight words in it, or creating such activity worksheets or interesting worksheets. By this way, kids can remember the sight words. 2. Up. We. The last sight word, you. So parents, you can design the worksheet by various methods. Like first one is unscrambling word, then coloring the sight words, finding and circling the sight words, completing the sentence with sight words. Bye guys, see you in next video with kindergarten sight words. Till then, subscribe our channel and yes, don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified when I upload the next video.